Hey guys, Rick for Sonance here, back in our video. So lately I got a few requests to remake Rockstar by Ilkay Sencan. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remake the bass of Ilkay Sencan Rockstar. So the final result will sound like this. So the bass is coming from Lithuania 41, so from the preset right away, make sure to check the link down below. Besides that, we added a vocal from the original with a low cut to give the remake some more context, sounding like this. And we also added a kick from the pack, so altogether it sounds like this. So now let's dive into the sound design of the bass. So the preset sounds like this. We're gonna make it from scratch, so it's like in a preset. We're gonna use the Iconess kick wavetable. It's a really nice wavetable to make these kind of bass patches. So the wavetable is gonna be around here. 2 octaves down. So 16 unisons. Detune a little bit down. It's a bit too heavy right now, so we're gonna filter it. We'll be using low 24. With a drive around halfway. Then we're gonna route envelope 1 to the cutoff. And shape it like this, sustain all the way down. Decay just a little bit longer. So then we can decide to either pull down the randomness or not. So what it does, it will make the bass sound a little bit more wider with the randomness all the way up, all the way down. It will sound a bit more mono. So when layering the sound, it's really a choice you have to make. But right now we're gonna keep it all the way up. So now we're gonna dive into effects. First we're gonna add some hyperdimension with a little bit of hyper. Some dimension. Then we're gonna open up the bass line with the OTT compression. It's gonna be quite a lot. Put up the gain to around here. So it's a really aggressive sound, so that's why we're gonna put it up so high. It's kind of distorting as well, as you can see with the red lights. So then we're gonna filter it again with a low 24. Just like this. And then the last thing we're gonna do is boost the mids a little bit more. With a gain just around here. And the frequency just around here. Just on the 400s. Gonna lower down the master volume a little bit because it's clipping too much right now. That's for the bass. So without the randomness. And with the randomness, it sounds like this. So now we're gonna shape the envelope a little bit more. Could be a bit more plucky. Just drag down the curve a little bit more. Just like this. So altogether in the remake it will sound like this. And that's it for Rockstar Remake, so if you liked the video please hit the like, want to see more, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next videos.